Hello and welcome to this Advanced ICDL Excel video. Today we will be looking at mathematical functions. Mathematical functions allow you to round up to the nearest zero, round down to the nearest zero, and add numbers if they meet certain criteria. These are very useful calculations that can be performed in Excel. Okay, to start with, we're going to do Roundup. So first of all, create a worksheet just like this, and in B3 enter this value, and in B4 enter this value. In C3 we're going to place our answer. To do that, select the cell C3, and on the Formulas tab in the Function Library group we're going to select Math and Trig. Now we have a list of formulas that we can use. So we can scroll down to round up, that's here, and select that. Now for the number text box, we're going to select the cell we want to calculate. Then for number of digits, we're going to choose 0. So this will round the number up to the nearest zero, or whole number. And now click OK, and you can see that the number has been rounded up to the nearest zero, which is €35. Now we're going to calculate using the Rounddown function. The Rounddown function will round this number down to the nearest zero. So in cell C4, in the Function Library group, we're going to select Math and Trig. Then we're going to round down. And now for the number, we're going to select the cell. And this time for the number of digits, we're going to select 1. So what this will do is, it'll round down the number to the nearest decimal place with 1 decimal place. So click OK. So what has happened is, it has rounded it down to the nearest decimal place. So now we're going to do the Sumif function. So we're going to select B5, and here we're going to repeat the same process. In the Function Library we're going to select Math and Trig, and then we're going to scroll down to the Sumif function. So here we're going to select the range of cells we're going to include in the calculation. That's B3 to B4. For criteria, we're only going to add numbers that are over €30. So we use the greater than sign and 30, and click OK. This has added all of the numbers in this range that were above €30. This is a useful function when you have a long list of numbers to add and you only want to add numbers that meet a certain criteria. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. For further information, you can click on the link below, which is the DigiDiscover website, where you'll find books that will show you how to use advanced features of Excel and many others. Thank you.